Hi, my name is Daniel Mate. You are welcome once again to my Technology and Innovation Lab. Today's presentation is the continuation of the digitization and digitalization presentation I did a while ago. Since I've already explained what what digitalization and digitization means, I'll just go ahead and now practically show how it is done and how to maintain documents that have been digitalized, and also how quick it is for you to work in a digitized environment and its strategic importance for economic development, business development, and the development of startups and new businesses. What I am working with today is my beloved cell phone, my precious hand scanner, which I showed the other time, but I didn't show it working. It's called XGen, and then a few documents that I'll be working with, my barcode scanner, and then my IP 3D TV, and as you know, my desktop computer. I'm also going to use my industrial scanner here today, and my smartwatch. So let me just go ahead and start. This hand scanner, what it does is you just pass the scanner on top of the document, and then it scans it into a memory card. So I have this tiny micro memory card here. I'm just going to slot it in to the scanner, and then I'm going to switch the scanner on. So once the scanner is switched on, I'm going to start scanning. So I just put it on, press once, and then I pass over the document I want to scan. Then when I'm done, I just press it again. Then it says document scanned. So I take another one. I start, I pass it over, then I scan again, and then it says document scanned. After that, I just press the knob, take out the memory card, you can insert this memory card into anything, a computer, a tablet, a laptop, anything. I just want to use the smartphone to show you how intricate this is and how far digitization can go. Digitalization can go in information distribution. So I put the memory card in here. I put the battery in there. So whilst we wait for the watch to boot up, I will move to the next object for scanning, which is my cell phone here. It is connected to the TV, so I can just go to yeah, I can just go to the desktop, and then once I swipe over, you can just see everything on my phone. So I'll go quickly to cam scanner. So later, and I take the same document. So I put it on there. Okay, scan. Now it gives me opportunity to, just like you do in a scanner, select what you want and then click on scan, and then you have your document scanned into your cell phone. You can email this as quick as possible. Can you imagine going to a meeting, somebody signs the document, right after they sign the document there and then you get to send a PDF version to your company? How quick would that be for the development of business? When maybe at the bank they need this signature as soon as possible. The minute the person signs, you don't need to drive there, you just scan, and you can, because it can do PDF and everything, you can maximize it to see whether what you scan has everything you want. You see? And then the next object, the next technology I'm going to use in this digitization process is my industrial scanner here, which I'm going to put the document on there. Now, and then I will change. It's also connected to the TV, so you can see. Yes. So this is a small application I developed myself for this lab. Now, the reason why I had to use this Access programming language, it has some VB codes behind it. Actually, it does have some VB codes behind it, as you can see. But for the purpose of this presentation, I'm just using Access I just used Access to develop this application. Now, this application connects to the scanner so that you can scan and file your scanned document at the same time. The reason why you want to use applications like this is, one, you want to be able to quickly find the document. Two, you want to be able to scan to the exact location. Can you imagine you are scanning 5,000 documents to over 2,000 folders? You can write such an application. I can develop such an application with all those folders in a button. So all you need to do is just click, or press, tap, and then when you press tap, it scans straight to the location which you want. This will improve the speed of your scanning. It will improve the organization of your scanned documents. And then it can also interface with SharePoint, which means we can have global access to the documents you scan using the excellent metadata system, which is every single text on the document can be used to search for the document and present the document. So I will just go ahead and press scan. It says okay. So I choose where I want to scan the document. I give it a name. Test 1. I say okay, save. It asks me which scanner do I want to use. I say, well, I want to use my FC commercial scanner. I say okay. Now, before I scan, let's say I want to preview. So after previewing what I've scanned, I really like it. I said, okay, scan the document. Now what I'm doing now is digitalization. I'm digitalizing a physical document so that it can be organized properly into the computer, used as many or reproduced as many times as possible. Now, I can fill in the data when it was when it was done, the document type test, and then the document name test, and then maybe the content test, and then location test, current date test. In fact, with the current date, we can even program it to be automatic. Once you click the date will just populate, the place will just be populated. Now, I also programmed on the scanner so that you can use the scanner to fill in some of the details. This will help you when you are searching for the document, because you can use the barcode scanner to also as a parameter to also search for the document. So once I scan, it populated the field down there with the code. Then collect name done. I come here, attach document, I add, I go to T, and then there it is. Okay. So this document has not been filed. The document that I just scanned has not been filed properly into the computer, and we can add more buttons to it. Do things way beyond your comprehension. We can do great things with this. Not only storing the documents, but we can even create email buttons for you to be able to just scan the documents, email it to as many people as possible, put access passwords on the document for security purposes as to who to get the document, who shouldn't get the document, use the barcode scanner to search for the documents and everything. And so that's digitization. What I have also done is, what I've displayed now is digitalization, but I've also digitized the process of storing the document by creating an app to manage the storage locations of the document. Just like I said the other time, that usually I'll go to the camera, but now I have the process digitized. So now I'm using the tablet to manage it. It's the same process. Instead of now going to files, putting it, now I can store everything in the computer properly with different folders, different accesses, and who should access it, who shouldn't access it, and at what time to access it. And it can be global. So maybe the director is in China, and somebody signed a document for him right now, you need it at the bank. The director uses his cell phone to scan the document and email and then email it or sends it straight to SharePoint, and then you can quickly access the document, print it, and give it to the bank. That's how quick it is, and how powerful and important it is for us to think of digitization and digitalization. One, the speed of delivery is so important. Two, because of international business and the world growing internationally, it has become very critical for us, or for everybody or every company, to take digitization and digitalization very seriously, because you're competing all around the world and you need to transform data as quick as possible into something that you can quickly use by printing it physically or sending it through email, or even searching for it with security access and all that as quick as lightning. Hence the reason for digitalization and digitization. I also said the other time that I have digitized some of the processes here, so that I have my robot here helping me with some of the processes. For instance, now that I'm done showing what digitalization is by digitalizing a couple of documents for us to see, let me show one bit that I've not done is So this is the document that was scanned by the hand scanner, and now it's even in my watch. So I can just email this with my watch. How cool is that? That's the power of technology and innovation and digitization and digitalization. You can also clearly see that most of the things here are automated. For instance, Alexa, my lab off.
Okay.
Everything gets turned off just like that, using voice command and voice control. So I've digitized turning things here on and off. Alexa, my lab on.
Okay.
Everything is back on. I thank you for being a part of this presentation. God richly bless you, and I hope you're able to use this information to transform your business, your country, and your life. Thank you.